Hello everyone, welcome to Chekilipat channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Snapchat in your Windows laptop or PC. Now the first thing you have to do is click on the Microsoft Store icon. If you don't see this icon here, just go to the search box and then type in Store and then click on Microsoft Store from here. Now give it a moment for it to load up. Now once you're here, scroll down a little and see if you can find Snapchat in here. If you don't see Snapchat in here, just go to the search box and then type in Snapchat and then click on Snapchat from here. Now as you can see, we have the install button. You may also see get, so whatever you see, just click on that. Now Snapchat will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything else. And as you can see, it is ready. Now if we close the Microsoft Store icon and go to the start, you can see Snapchat is at the top here. Now just right click on it and then click on pin to start, and then right click on it again and then go to more and then click on pin to taskbar. And now we have the Snapchat icon on taskbar. Now just open it and then just log into your Snapchat account and you will be able to use Snapchat on your PC. And that is how you can download and install Snapchat in your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.